if you're looking to grow or self-develop as a person, if you feel as though you want to be more, do more, have more, or even make, more money in your life, the biggest piece of advice I can give you is to try as many new things as possible. Just try as many things as you can, because the more things you try, the more skills you acquire, the more opportunity you have to be more, do more, have more, make more money. Skill equals money, skill equals opportunity. So don't be afraid to step out and to fail at something, because little failures are in essence little successes, because you learn what you are good at, you learn what you're not good at, and if you keep trying something new, something that will fit you, you will strike gold one day. It is inevitable that you will strike gold and you will find something that works for you.